this build essentially was a top-end rebuild to increase cylinder capacity and a general tidy up of the engine and the engine bay. All the tinware was stripped and powder coated, and the customer had his eye on vintage speed exhaust, which he saw on another customer's vehicle, as we fit mainly vintage speed exhaust, to be honest. We find that the quality is far superior than the rivals, and we like the audible tone as well. They're not too in the face, and the stainless steel stays fresh. Yeah, so it's gone really well. Exhaust is very easy to fit as usual, and the customer's very happy. He's heard it running, and yeah, next stage is really to finish the bodywork on the van and get it painted. It'll be like a brand new car.